Hello and welcome. Today we'll be reading CTA-020. Contained Anomaly, CTA-020. Object Class, Unknown. Containment Procedures. Agents must track the northern US for any instances of CTA-020. Any instances of CTA-020 must be destroyed, and only one instance kept at CF-OBJ-02. Description: CTA-020 is a gumball machine that is called Fruit Chew Bubblegum. CTA-020 will manifest itself anywhere in the northern US, no matter the population or popularity of the place. The gumball colors and flavors will always be the same: cherry red, blueberry blue, green apple green, lemon yellow, purple grape, pink strawberry, and orange mandarin. The price will always vary between 25 cents and 50 cents. Upon chewing the gumball, the consumer, CTA-020-1, will have a completely random chance of getting a regular gumball or an anomalous gumball. CTA-020-1, upon consuming an anomalous gumball, will randomly get one of two outcomes. The first outcome will happen when CTA-020-1 chews on the gum for over 2 minutes. CTA-020-1's eyeballs will pop, and 2 gumballs of random color will manifest inside of the empty eye sockets. The eyeballs themselves will not be anomalous, and will not function as eyes. The second outcome will be when CTA-020-1 blows a bubble using the gum. Once CTA-020-1 attempts to blow a bubble, they will immediately inflate from the inside, and will keep inflating until they explode. CTA-020 will burst into a pink and blue liquid.